Hi guys, so welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke, and at the moment, as you can already tell by the sound of my voice, I'm actually still quite sick at the moment. I got quite ill last week because of Aunt Roni came to visit me after almost 2.5 years of evading her. But yeah, I'm just really congested and that's pretty much it. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet and you would like to see more, definitely do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But in today's video I am going to do another nail polish of the week one, in which I grab one random polish from my quite large nail polish collection and swatch it, talk about it and so on. But because I'm not really feeling the greatest at the moment, I actually have like difficulties breathing and just talking in general. It costs me a lot of energy and I get kind of winded because of it as well. So I'm not really going to do a super long talk through today. I'm really sorry about that, but I was just like, okay, I can like not post a video and take my rest and stuff like that, or I can just edit the footage that I had pre-recorded like the day before I got really sick. And just share it with you anyways, and just put some music underneath so you can still have your little me time chill moment. And yeah, I really hope you will like the rest of the video. I will show all of the products as usual. The polish that I will be sharing is actually a color from the Cadillacquer advent calendar from 2021. It doesn't have a specific name, it is just from December 18th, that specific polish. I have asked them at Instagram if they have specific names, but they actually don't. They are just like custom made for the advent calendar only. So December 18th is this polish. But yeah, I'm just gonna quit the rambling, just relax a little bit more because I can feel myself getting more like congested already. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I really hope you like it, and as usual I hope to see you in my next video as well.